A view template is used to apply specific view settings to one or multiple views in a project. It allows you to define settings quickly and consistently across your project views. In Revit, a view template can be applied or it can be assigned depending on the desired result. When you apply a template, you can still edit the applied properties in the view as always. But when you assign a template, its properties can only be edited within the actual template. To simply apply the view properties defined in a template, there are two options. On the View tab of the ribbon, click View Templates. Apply template properties to current view. In the Apply View Template dialog, select the template to apply and then click OK. Or, from the project browser, select the template, then right-click it and select Apply Template Properties. The same dialog opens for you to select the template. Either method applies the view properties and you can edit them as needed within the view. Alternatively, you can assign a view template, which links the properties defined within the template to the view. First, make sure that the view is active. Then, in the Properties palette, scroll down to the Identity Data group and click the View Template field. The dialog that opens may look the same, but notice the name, Assign View Template. In the list of view template names, select the template to assign and then click OK. Once it is assigned, you can no longer change the associated parameters such as scale, model display, and graphics overrides directly in the view. In Properties, scroll back up to Graphics group to see that these parameters are now read-only. To change these view properties, either reopen the Assign View Template dialog, or, on the View tab, expand the View Templates drop-down and select Manage View Templates. In the dialog that opens, select the template, and then click Edit next to each parameter that needs to be changed. In this case, a different model display style is selected, and then a new background is set. When you're finished, click OK. Note that any changes to the template settings will be applied to all views with that template assigned. In this example, that includes the South and West views. You can also assign a template to be used when a new view of a particular type is created. With the type selected in Properties, click Edit Type to open the Type Properties dialog. Under Identity Data, click in the View Template Applied to New Views field. Select the template to be used and then click OK. Notice that in this case, new views are dependent on template is selected. This means that the new views will be created with a link to the template. If you want to be able to alter the view properties without changing the template, deselect this option. Click OK to close the dialog. Finally, for consistency, assign the same template to the last two views. Press and hold Ctrl as you select each one in the project browser, and then click the View Template field. Select the template, and then click OK.